Testing. Testing. Alright. Alright, fuck it. Alright, fuck it. We're just gonna start. Alright, fuck it. So when you take a look at the higher time frame, you got this fair value gap right here. So when you take a look at the higher time frame, you also got weekly highs. That's what I just marked up. This is its own swing on a lower time frame. So we're gonna drop down and look inside this wick. Basically, you want to be paying attention and looking for your higher time frame context, like what is price doing. Right now, it seems like it's bullish. Pay attention to the wick. Right now, we're kind of trading at at premium price. You can see how I'm dropping down to the time frame and kind of finding the more accurate fair value gap. So like this whole area was your 4 hour So right now we're either waiting for a displacement lower. Let's take a look at news. We have 2 red folders. This is releasing in 30 seconds.
Real break with pure leaf iced tea, powered by natural caffeine from real tea leaves. It's time for real brewed refreshment and the real revitalization of a quality iced tea. Time for a tea break. Time for Pure Leaf.
Location: the lab. Quentin only has 24 hours to sell his car. If that's possible, he goes to Carvana.com.
What is this? A movie?
He ignores the doubters, enters his license plate. Wow, that's a great offer. The car is sold, but will Carvana pick it up?
Guys, should I put on my camera?
Tomorrow morning. Done with the dramatics?
Car selling in record time.
I guess I'll put on my camera.
And sell your car today. Pickup fees may apply.
Bring the fun of Temptation's treat time to your cat's dinner bowl.
I need some better lighting.
Wet cat food. A delicious range of wet cat food and the same familiar flavors your cat already enjoys. From America's #1 cat treat brand, like Tasty Chicken, Seafood Medley, Catnip Fever, and Backyard Barbecue. Available in multiple textures, including pate and bites and gravy. Click or tap the banner to buy now.
Oh. There you go. There's your displacement. I won't be looking for a trade for until 9:30. That's when my rolls were just kind of we got that displacement right now. We ran buy side. Price likely gonna start running some sell side. We'll see what Go. Oh my god. All right, we're gonna take a look at yesterday's trade session. Keep in mind, this is still our high time frame target. We have this fair value gap, this fair value gap, and still this one. This is what we were looking at yesterday. And then when you drop lower, these wicks are relative equal highs. This is lower time frame buy side liquidity. London ran Asia low. Ran some sell side. Right now we're we're either looking for price to either trade back to this area and go higher, or somewhere in here. But like I said, we always wait till 9:30 to see what 9:30 does. You got sell side right here. Oh, wait. I gotta show you that candle. Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. So, this is what I was waiting to show you. Yesterday, we had that buy side liquidity that I marked up. At 9:30, price just impulse moves higher. So now, this is where it gets good, because you want to drop down to I can't access it. So we're going to go ahead and jump over to my other. Holy fuck. Hopefully it lets us go back that far. I think it's right here. Hello? Okay. Oh my god. This is important. This is what you want to pay attention to. So whenever price runs a side of liquidity, here, look down here. You ran liquidity. Pay attention to my cursor. It displaces the opposite way. In these moments is where you want to look for changes in price delivery. That is basically my trading model. You wait for a side of liquidity to get ran, whether it's sell side or buy side. And then you wait for a shift in price and either a pullback to and then a continuation or just a continuation. He does it again. So at 9:30, you run buy side.
A message from Active Minds and United Healthcare.
This is where you want to look for the change in the state. It's not always going to be perfect. It's not always going to be your breaker structure. So you can see right here we had this fair value gap. Down close candle, up close candle. And then a close below. And now, if bullish, this is where you want this fair value gap to hold. Then you close below. This candle trading inside the 50%. If you had big balls right here, you could have entered short. Targeting sell side. You can see I went ahead, went short. I closed the trade at like 1% loss or something like that, 0.01%. Then we have this fair value gap. If price was bearish now because we ran this buy side, we would have wanted this fair value, well, I can't even speak, this fair value gap to hold. Price begins to close above it. So now what is our context? Same thing that happened on the buy side. You ran sell side. Last swing. Close above. Closing above a fair value gap. We long. What's our target? Buy side liquidity. We also tried going long in here. We were looking for, this is where we went wrong. We were looking for a more of a fill of this fair value gap. But in this area, we were looking to add on another position because, again, price is closing above its swing points to the left. Now, after an entry, you want to find what is your higher time frame targets. you should already have an idea in mind. So we got our entry. Now we're basically targeting what I showed you over on TradingView. That fair value gap in that area of equal highs. I really wish this fucking platform had a replay button. This is so shit. I'm not going any lower. We got our entry. We closed this position here. Because price was starting to. And then we went ahead and added on another position long. Setting our stop loss in this area. Still expecting price to target the equal highs and then that fair value gap. What happens? We close that area of price. We partialed all in here just in case price wanted to go the other way, because we've been trading up and up and up. Oh shit. So you want to protect your downside. Now today, maybe we can see some runs on sell side. Notice I left those equal highs marked up. It's like the same thing that happened yesterday. Equal highs always get ran. And right below those equal highs, we also have a fair value gap. So again, like the same thing yesterday, equal highs, fair value gap. Oh, one last entry. It was the PM session. What was our thought process? So AM session ran buy side and just continued higher and higher and higher. So we're trading a premium in price, trading inside the higher time frame fair value gap. It's about 130. We get this displacement move higher, also a run on buy side, taking out all these stop losses right here, leaving a fair value gap. We close below it. This was your first opportunity to go short. I almost went short right here, but I didn't. I waited for... Oh my god, bro. It's so annoying. I waited for like this higher time frame swing to get closed below on the lower time frame. This candle closed like this, and then we began to trade back. I entered short. I set my stop loss like somewhere in this area. I should have set it a little bit higher because we came up here again, ran early shorts or stop losses, and then the same thing happens again. What you have to learn to read is price is very fractal. It's like a fractal art picture. So what you're seeing on the higher time frames, you'll be seeing on the lower time frames, and inside each candle is the same thing happening over and over and over. So you just have to learn how to read it. Like this happened, and what I showed you, liquidity gets ran, displacement, change in the state. It's like the same thing happening, just in a smaller area of price. Displays close below. Right here is another entry, but I was already done for the day. I was like, I'm not looking for any more trades. You could have went short right here.
Hot Pro with 2 max strength pain relievers. Targets multiple pain receptors.
So we got stopped out, but our bias was a run on the AM session.
Playlist for an espresso tonic or iced ube latte intermission. To introduce the new Nescafe espresso concentrate. Pour, mix, and enjoy to hack your iced espresso.
We had our TP down in here in this area because this is like a cloud of liquidity. Literally, we had our TP right here. But we got stopped out, unfortunately. I was a little upset about this one, but I let it go. You can't be greedy. We already caught this whole daily move, so I just expected this to happen. Go back in your charts and backtest, and you'll see it happens like pretty much every day, depending on how big the move is. Whether AM session runs buy side or sell side, the PM session runs the opposite way. Like stopping out retail traders pretty much. Because the move already happened, so people are going long in here. And they're probably expecting price to go even higher for new traders, because they don't know about the AM session. So everyone going along in here, their stop loss is getting filled. Everyone going along in here. Because the entry was down here. So pretty much if for the AM bias and you're long, you want your entry before 11. So for traders that come into the market after 11, you know, they're getting stopped out. Especially if they're holding that long. So PM session always runs the opposite liquidity, and that's what we were targeting, but set our stop loss too close. So now today when we look at price, what are we getting? Well, right now, again, we ran buy side, so we drop lower. Displacing below swings. I feel like I'm repeating myself over this fractal shit. It's very, looking at all these candles and it looks like hieroglyphics, but when you learn to read the time frames and drop lower, and you look at the swings from a hindsight point of view, not like you don't want to hone in on the candle. So we marked this lineup to keep like a visual point. And note, we still have an hour until 9:30 open. So this could just be a minor run on sell side. Likely taking out people that are long up here or even short. So this could be a target, and then possibly even this area to go higher again. Because again, on our higher time frame, we're still bullish. Especially the daily and the weekly, it's bullish. This is just inside that bullish 24-hour candle or 5-day candle. You're going to get runs on buy side and runs on sell side because price is moving higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So from a higher time frame perspective, this will be the higher time frame move. Or you never know, you just have to watch price print as it prints and catch the move before it happens. And manage your downside. Like yesterday, I went short here, was wrong. But I only took like a $10 loss. And then this trade was, I think it was like $70. So already that's covering for the loss.